Hey y'all, I just want to show you what a scam looks like. That's a scam. I'm pretty sure of it. Now at the very top here, I'll start reading up here. Sorry about the shakiness, it's all freehand and everything, folks. But I'm gonna start reading it to you. At the very top there it says, "This ad is brought to you by Map Frontier. Please take a moment to view it." Outlook.live.com visitor. Password leak information. Due to massive password leaks from Equifax, we strongly encourage you to immediately check your credit report for suspicious activity to protect your identity. Personal information, including Social Security numbers, has been stolen online from 143 million Equifax users. Your three bureau credit scores are available at no charge today, January 23rd of 2018. Be aware that although your scores and membership is free, a credit card will be required for activation. Remember, according to the government, it can take up to 6 months and 200 hours of work to recover from identity theft. Click here to see your credit score. This is a pop-up. I just went into my emails and all of a sudden this popped out and I didn't even click on nothing. I'm not sure where I picked this up for a pop-up, how this got on my computer, but it did. And I opened up my emails to this page right here, opened up my consumer power, and boom, that came on up. So I just thought y'all ought to know about this stuff. I'm pretty sure that's a scam. Don't fall for it. Y'all have a good one. Bye.